How to send a picture in a private message. Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can send a picture in a private message. To send a picture in a private message on Varagesale, follow the following steps. The first step is to sign in into your Varagesale account. Of course, for you to send anything in Varagesale, you have to be on the account. Once you're signed in on the Varagesale's account, you would see your own page, you would see your field displaying different
Where are you?
things that you can get on the various sale. Once you can see this at the lower part of the screen, you can see some icons such as the home icon, notification, post, inbox, then your profile icon. Then the next thing to do is to just go ahead and click on your messages icon. Here you will see all of your messages. So far, I have not sent any message on Verasil. That is why this page is empty. But for you, you would see all of your conversation. So the next step is to go to the conversation that you'd like to send the picture to. Then after selecting the conversation, you'll see the attachment icon at the lower part of the screen, usually within the chat window. All right, just click on it. Once you click on the attachment icon, you will be asked to choose an image or take a picture. Just choose an image, select the image that you'd love to send. After selecting the image, it will be uploaded to the chat, and once the upload is complete, you can now send it by pressing the send button, and then just like that, that picture will be sent to the person in a private message. All right, so this is how to do it. This is how you can send a picture in a private message. Thanks for watching and have a good day.